Critical torque. What's inside the box? Inside the box we get this nice sturdy carry case. There's a card with inspection date and QR code to tutorial, sticker, adapter so you can plug it into RCA if you don't want to use battery for some reason, thinner grip for tattoo machine, extra battery. Side here, magnetic charging station, and underneath here, power brick and USB-C cable. Up here we get the RCA cable that I already unpacked, smaller gaskets, bigger gaskets, lubrication, and a good old silica do not eat gel, and then machine itself, and it's this beauty.